Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your tea rinse, which will help your hair from shedding. It will help reduce shedding drastically, and I'm going to be using some Ayurvedic and botanical herbs. Okay, make sure you like this video, share, and subscribe. I'll be using horsetail, and this helps with promoting hair growth and it gives your hair luster and next shine. I'll be using chamomile, and this also helps promote healthy hair. It suits the scalp and eliminates dandruff. Next, I'll be using marshmallow roots, and this is also amazing for sleep and it also helps itchy scalp. Next, I'll be using stinging nettle, and this helps reduce shed hair and it also strengthens the hair shaft and also helps with dandruff and itchy scalp. Next, I'll be using rosemary, and it helps to thicken the hair and it also promotes hair growth by stimulating the scalp. Peppermint, and this also helps combat dandruff and it also promotes hair growth. Next, we have hibiscus, and this is an excellent conditioner and it also helps with hair growth. Green tea is amazing. It helps to reduce shed hair and it helps with dry scalp and dandruff. For essential oils, I'll be using peppermint and lavender. You can use any essential oil that works best for you. The first thing you want to do is get your kettle or a container and you start putting the herbs inside. First, I'm using horsetail. I'm just putting 1 tablespoon of horsetail, followed by rosemary. I'm also putting 1 tablespoon of rosemary. I'll also be using chamomile flowers, as you can see, and I'm using 1 tablespoon. And same goes for marshmallow roots, 1 tablespoon as well. For stinging nettle, I'm using 2 tablespoons because this is amazing for shed hair. So I decided to, put a little extra. Next, I'm following it with mint powder, which is amazing for the scalp. It suits the scalp because it has menthol. Followed by hibiscus, which also helps with shedding. And I'll be using 2 green tea bags as well, which is also good for hair loss and shedding. After putting the powders together, I'm just mixing them up, just stirring them before I put in my boiling hot water. Next, I'm going in with piping boiling hot water to activate the herbs. Just putting enough. I use this tea for 2 weeks, so I'm making enough to last me for 2 weeks. And I use it for pre-poos. I use it to mix my Ayurvedic paste. You can use your tea for anything actually, but you don't want to keep it for too long. So I'm just stirring the herbs together with the hot water just to make sure that the particles are not settled at the bottom of the pot. Just mix. Look at how rich this tea looks, guys. This just looks amazing. I'm just adding more water so that it lasts me longer because it's very concentrated, so you can add as much water as you want depending on how you want to make use of it. Next, I'm going in with my lavender essential oil. I'm just putting about 5 drops, and also my peppermint essential oil as well. It's so soothing, guys, and it smells bomb. I wish you guys could smell this tea. What I do is leave the tea to settle overnight. I just cover it and I leave it to stay for 24 hours, and this is the next day. All you have to do is just get your sieve and strain it into the container that you're going to be making use of. I'm just putting this in my applicator bottle and also my spray bottle. You can see the particles are settled and you don't want all that in your hair. Trust me, it's going to be a mess. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you make your tea rinse for shedding, excessive shedding. This will really drastically. I'm going to show you the application. So guys, this is my hair that I've rocked for like 2 weeks, and I'm just spritzing my hair with the tea first before I start taking out my braids. And yeah, I'm just gonna take out my hair and show you guys how I apply it. Guys, I might not too much. I didn't just show you how to make the tea. I'm showing you how to apply it. Guys, I deserve a subscribe. Just subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the time to subscribe because I be putting in effort. Okay? Too much. If I don't have myself, who will? Subscribe, guys. Please support your girl. Okay. Just taking out my cornrows so I show you guys how to use your tea. I'm basically using it as a pre-poo because this is my first step before wash day. So the first thing I do is I use the tea. It's not every time I use tea for a pre-poo, but sometimes I do. After taking out my braids, I'm just spritzing the tea on my roots to my ends, especially my ends, guys, because that's the oldest part of your hair. And I'm just working it into my strands, and that's the hair that came out, as you can see. Working in more product into my strands, and you can see my hair is already looking shiny, and you know, it's just looking bomb already. Just a little spritz of tea and my hair is looking shiny. I'm just gonna twist that side so I can work on the other sections. Spritzing the tea from the roots to the ends. Making sure you get it on your scalp as well. Massaging it in. Sorry guys, I was vibing to music, so if you see me dancing and lip syncing, that's what's happening. Just rubbing that into my strands, massaging it in, and using my fingers to finger the tangle. And I'm just adding the previous section to the section I just finished working on. Yeah. Guys, just look at how my hair is shiny. Like, that's the tea, man. Nothing, no product, nothing on my head, just tea. Herbal, Ayurvedic, botanical tea. Bomb.
To produce it.
I'm just applying my oil after applying the tea all over my hair, and this is how I pre-poo. I'm sealing in the tea with my Ayurvedic oil. If you haven't watched how I make this growth oil, you should. Okay, I'll leave it in the description bar so you can check it out. It's real easy, guys. You can make your own growth oil. You don't have to spend money on growth oils. You can whip it up in your kitchen. All right. So that's what I'm doing, just sealing the tea with my oil. This is how I pre-poo my hair most of the time. Hair tea, growth oil. Just look at how shiny my hair is, and it's soft, guys. Like, the product is just, the tea, the oil is just melting into my strands. Just twisting it aside.
It's kind of makes it hard to produce it.
Yeah, that's me dancing. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that. What I do is, after applying my oil and my tea and twisting my hair, I put on a shower cap or cling thing. I don't know what you guys call it, the transparent thing used to cover food. I used to wrap my hair, and I wear my scarf or my bonnet on my hair just so that when I'm sleeping, my body heat can help my hair marinate. I know that's not the right word, but you get what I'm trying to say. That's pretty much what I do. That's how I pre-poo my hair with my tea rinse, and this tea rinse is really amazing. It helps my hair stop shedding as much, and sometimes I don't have to use water for my LCO method, as in liquid. I just use the tea instead. but I don't use it every time. But sometimes I find it that it's handy and it works just fine. But I warm it up if I've kept it in the fridge. So I just put it in hot water and it's warmed up. That's it, guys. My hair is in sections and look at that shine. Mm-mm-mm. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Till next time. Bye, guys.